Have you ever wondered if kale is good for you? Well, you are not alone. Many people are curious about the health benefits of this leafy green vegetable. Kale, a member of the cabbage family, has been on our plates for centuries, but it's only in recent times that it's been crowned as a superfood. Bursting with vitamins and nutrients, it's been hailed as a miracle green by nutritionists and health enthusiasts alike. But amidst the kale craze, there's been a whirlwind of misconceptions. Some claim it's the elixir of life, while others dismiss it as just another fad in the ever-changing world of nutrition. It's time we separate the facts from the fiction. What is it about this humble vegetable that's causing such a stir? How did it rise from being a simple side dish to the superstar of superfoods? So, is kale really worth the hype? Stick around to find out. Kale, often touted as a superfood, is packed with an impressive list of nutrients that can benefit your health in numerous ways. With a rich array of vitamins and minerals, this leafy green is a veritable powerhouse of nutrition. Let's delve deeper into the wonders of kale. A single serving of kale is a fantastic source of vitamins A, C, and K. Vitamin A is renowned for its eye health benefits, helping to maintain clear vision and protect against conditions such as age-related macular degeneration. Meanwhile, vitamin C is an essential nutrient that aids in immune function, wound healing, and the maintenance of skin health. But that's not all. Vitamin K, a nutrient often overlooked, is abundant in kale. This vitamin plays a crucial role in bone health and blood clotting. So, if you're looking to keep those bones strong and robust, adding kale to your plate could be just the ticket. Kale is also packed with antioxidants. These powerful compounds help to combat oxidative stress in the body, which can lead to chronic diseases such as heart disease and certain types of cancer. And let's not forget about fiber. This essential nutrient aids in digestion, helps maintain a healthy weight, and can lower the risk of developing chronic diseases. A diet rich in fiber can also help you feel fuller for longer, making it a key component in weight management. But the benefits of kale don't stop there. It's also low in calories and high in water content, making it a great choice for those looking to shed a few pounds. At the same time, its high nutrient content ensures you're nourishing your body with what it needs to function at its best. So whether you're looking to boost your immune system, improve your heart health, or maintain a healthy weight, kale has got you covered. It's a versatile ingredient that can be easily added to a variety of dishes, from salads and stir-fries to soups and smoothies. With so many health benefits, it's no wonder that kale is often the star ingredient in many smoothie recipes. But how can you make it a part of your daily diet? Incorporating kale into your diet is simpler than you might think. One delicious and easy way is by adding it to your smoothies. When blended with sweet fruits like bananas or berries, the slightly bitter taste of kale is perfectly balanced, giving you a nutrient-packed beverage that's also a treat for your taste buds. You can also try adding a dollop of honey or a sprinkle of cinnamon for an extra taste kick. Remember, the key to healthy weight loss and improved health is consistency. Make kale a regular part of your diet and you will start seeing the benefits. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to the mighty kale and its numerous health benefits. We've explored the potent benefits of this superfood and how easily you can make it a staple in your diet, especially in your smoothies. Remember, consistency is key in reaping these benefits for a healthier lifestyle. Don't forget to check out the full article on our website for more interesting facts about kale and other superfoods. And if you found this video helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay healthy and keep experimenting with kale.